So we talked about slope, and we decided that lines have a constant slope. So what we're going to look at now is finding the equation of lines. So the equation of lines. Now there are lots of different forms of equations. There's ax plus by equals c. That's kind of your standard form. There's m times x minus x1 equals y minus y1. That's your slope form. And then there's y equals mx plus b, which is your slope-intercept form. I'm more interested in this last one, mostly because this tells you the slope and the intercept, which we'll talk more about here in just a second, but both of these can be changed into this form. I mean, and vice versa, this can be changed into the other forms as well, but for this class, I'm only concerned with the y equals mx plus b, so the slope-intercept form. So anytime you see a question that says, find the equation of a line, our answer is going to be of the form y equals mx plus b. So this slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope. So we just figured out how to do that. That's my rise over run. The b is the y-intercept. So this is the place where it actually hits the y-intercept. So for example, let's find the equation of the line with slope -1/2 and y-intercept 0, 8. Well, I know the answer is going to be of the form y equals mx plus b. So let's just go ahead and get into the habit of writing that. M is given to us. It's -1/2. Also, the y-intercept is given to us. It's going to be 8. So the equation of this line, -1/2x plus 8. See, all you got to do is find your m and your b. Once you find that m and your b, you're done finding the equation of the line. Let's find the equation of the line through the points 0, 7 and -2, 1. Okay. So my answer, I'm finding the equation of the line, so automatically we know our answer is going to be y equals mx plus b. First thing we're going to do is find m. Then the second thing we're going to do is find b. And this is always going to happen. Finding the equation of the line, we're going to find m, then we're going to find b. For m, the slope isn't given to us in this problem, but you know how to find the slope. Remember, the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So my slope, 1 minus 7, there's my y2 minus y1, over -2 minus 0. So this gives me -7 over -2, so 7 over 2. So at this point, my equation looks like 7 over 2x plus b. Now I got to find b. So look in the problem. Does the problem give us the y-intercept? And it does. That point right there tells me the y-intercept. So I know that my b is 7. So the equation of the line, 7 over 2x plus 7. Let's do one more. Let's find the equation of the line through 1, 8 and 2, 12. Again, anytime we see find the equation of a line, our answer is going to be of the form y equals mx plus b. The first thing, find m. Second thing, find b. So let's first work on m. Is the slope given to us? And it's not given to us, but we can find it using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I get 4 over 1, which is 4. So at this point, the equation of my line, 4x plus b. Now let's find b. Is the y-intercept given to us? And no, neither one of those tells us the y-intercept, but we can find it. Pick your favorite point. One of those two points, pick it. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to choose 1, 8 just because the numbers are a little smaller. What this point says is that when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. So I'm going to use this equation and plug it in. So 8, that's my y, is going to be 4 times 1 plus b. We'll solve this for b. Remember, 4 times 1 is just 4, so I'll subtract and get another 4. So there's my b in my equation, 4x plus 4. We'll try one more of these. So let's find the equation of the line through -2, 1, and 3, 11. If you want to stop and pause this and kind of figure it out on your own, by all means do so. We're trying to find the equation of the line, so mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b automatically. I'm going to first find m, then I'm going to find my b. Again, this process is never going to change. M isn't given to you, so we're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That gives me 10 over 5, which is 2. So I know that my slope is 2, I just got to find b. For b, it doesn't matter which one that you're going to, doesn't matter which point you want to use. I'm going to use -2, 1, just because that's the first one listed. That says that y is 1, x is -2. So all I did was take this point and plug it in here. So that's 1 equals -4 plus b, so b is 5. So that tells me my equation of the line, 2x plus 5.